Hey folks, Jason here from West Coast Gardens. We have this wonderful collection of plants all in white or accents in white that we're going to plant in this beautiful pot. Be sure when you start your planter, you add in a fresh potting mix. What I love about this planter is so West Coast. We've got groupings of plants and we've tiered them all the way up. Beautiful colors and contrast and texture. This is what you need making great planters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.